power is the center that is connected with the belly, and it governs sexuality, creativity, personal confidence, power as an internal power, internal force. It's a kind of animalistic, primal force that we also share in the animal kingdom. So when a lion is roaring, right, or when an animal is fearing these primal energies, that's the power center. But we also have that power center. And often in today's society, we are told to reduce our power and to think of ourselves as weak or humble. And this kind of humility is not the humility that we should opt for, because this is lowering our power and separating ourselves, dividing ourselves from our sexuality, from our primal instinctual power. And oftentimes it's either repressed or reduced or completely shut down. So it's a big war on your personal power. And before talking about the other two centers, it's really important to understand the importance of being established in your power center, in your sacred center, which is located just below the navel, right? In the Taoist practice, you have practices such as bringing in the energy to this center, which is known to be the internal battery. So any excess energy you have is not then fed to your thoughts or to your pointless emotions. Now, emotions are not pointless, but if during your day-to-day life you are just feeling one thing to another, right, then you're kind of leaking out. Just in the same way, if you are just thinking about this thing or the other, whether it's good or bad, you're also leaking out this energy. So your focus and attention should first and foremost be established in a sacral chakra, in a power center. And that's the center martial artists develop with punching techniques and breathing exercises such as the fire breathing. But not going too much into details about techniques, you want to be cultivating a feeling of self-reverence. So what is reverence? Reverence is a feeling that goes way beyond respect. So you respect an individual, right? But reverence is kept for things that are divine, right? So when we go to the centers within our energy body, we recognize that these centers are not centers in our physical body, these are divine centers. So the power center is a divine center, and the correct feeling that you should cultivate towards this center is reverence.